Hi people, and welcome to another indicator which you can use on an MT4 platform. Inside my trading academy you will be able to get access to this. You'll also be able to get access to the cheat sheet, which is going to show you certain things that you can trade, etc., which is going to help you. Plus also you're gonna have some great advice with this. I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to set this up. It's a very good scanner. Okay, the FCC, if I can say it, the EFC Scanner is specialized trading indicator. It's designed for my Metatrader 4. It's primarily used for identifying potential trade setups based on the Elliott wave, Fibonacci retracement, convergence and divergence principles. I'm going to give you a breakdown of obviously how the scanner works. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into the psychology of the actual indicators, but what I will be doing is I will be going over and showing you how the scanner is going to work, how we're going to set it up, etc. So the first thing you will find is once you download this, you need to make sure you just download this to your file, which you're going to easily be able to get access to. Make sure it's somewhere, either it's on your desktop, so you know exactly where you're going to put it. Then you need to copy your actual indicator, and then literally you just paste your indicator into your indicator folder on your MT4 platform, which I'm just going to show you. Okay, so we're going to go over here. This is the actual EFC scanner, which is in action. And what you'll also note is, although it comes up with key things, so your buy signal setups, which is the RSI below 20, the PA and RSI divergence setup confirmed. These green points are telling you that this is a buy signal setup for 1 hour with CAD CHF M30, which means 30 minutes, which is telling you, and then you've got 1 day, so you could do a day trade with this as well. So what you want to be watching out for is your setup confirmed. Once you get your setup confirmed, this is telling you that this is almost like all systems go. Obviously make sure that you set up a stop loss, because as you well know, any trades can go the other way. And it says the sell trades, which is the RSI above 80, the PA and RSI divergence, the setup is confirmed by a red arrow pointing down. This is for the sell trade, and obviously the green trade, which is a green arrow pointing up. Okay, so I just want you to be fully aware of that, just so you can see. What I also like is you get a alert which pops up, which is telling you the alert window, and this is giving you a run through of the actual SMC, so you see that this is something else I'm using, but there are other things on here as well. But this is the EFC scanner that we're using this for. You can see that you can set this up very easily. What you need to do is right mouse click, go to the indicator list, click on the EFC scanner and edit, and you'll be able to see other bits and bobs that you can add inside this. It's very powerful. You'll see that the pairs in here are already been chosen for you. Okay, and you can see that there's quite a list of pairs that are inside this system. So you've got a pair named 30, so you've got XAU USD in here as well, if this is something that you would like to participate and try. Visualization, same as all. You could change your time frames, or you could set a certain time frame, so you don't have to have it so all time frames are used. You can change your color. There's lots and lots of inputs here that you can do, etc., which is obviously going to change this. What you need to do is make sure you do this on the demo account first before you decide to launch it, if you like. Although this isn't an expert advisor, this works by giving you just a signal which you can then use. Obviously make sure you allow your Dell imports, otherwise you're not going to get this, and that's really all you need to know. Okay, so we're going to click OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to actually set this up. You'll see that when you click OK, it goes for a refresh system, and you'll see that if I close this down now, and if we click OK, then what it will do is, when I say, for instance, I move XAU USD over to here and drop, it's probably not a good one to put down at the moment, but you'll see that what it will do is it will bring up that a buy trade is triggered on the XAU USD on a 5-minute window, And if we look, here is the 5-minute window. XAU USD should be on here somewhere, but here it is, here XAU USD 5-minute window, and it's showing you this here, which is in a green setup, confirmed for a buy, and you'll see that the RSI is below 20. So really what you want to do is look for these greens and reds, and these are going to give you good points of action to get into the market. And literally you just drag something across, it's just going to flash up, even though, so all you really need to do is make sure that you just put this scanner onto your actual chart. I'm going to show you now exactly how to do that. So what we're going to do is, for quickness, I'm going to grab the actual scanner from within inside this one. I'm going to transfer it across to the next one. So I'm going to go to MQL4, we're going to go to indicators, and we're going to look for the scanner, which is here, the EFC Scanner. We're going to right mouse click, we're going to copy this, we're going to close this down. I'm going to go to another MT4 platform, which is this one here, okay, and then I'm going to choose any one. All right, I'm going to use GBP USD, and we're just going to open this up. So this is going to be my chart that I'm going to be using. And then what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be going to File, Open Data Folder, go to MQL4, go to Indicators, and we're going to right mouse click, and we're going to paste in the EFC Scanner EX4. Okay, it's very, very simple to do. What you want to do then is go back to here. This is where all the indicators are. Right mouse click and refresh. And now if we look, we should see the indicator, which will be here somewhere. So if we look through here until we see it, there it is, there's the EFC. Hold on to that, drag it across and drop, and you click here. Make sure you allow Dell inputs. This is where you can have a little play and adjust if you want to, and then you want to hit OK. Now wait, it's going to give you a few seconds before it's going to start reading the market, and you'll see that instantly what we saw on the last one, it's now showing you that a sell trade is setting up for GBP JPY. So this will be a great little scalping tool, which is going to work really, really nicely for you if you want to do any scalping. And you'll see now that, you know, this is in action. So if this is something you're interested in, obviously this is what you've got access to. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to try this out, see how you get on with it. It's a great little scanner. It works really, really well. It's nice and clean, actually. You know, it works quite nice. So it's easy for you to actually start to use. Just remember that this is one side of the pair. Okay, so this side here, and if you're looking for the other pairs, this is the other pairs coming down here as well. So we've got quite a few. There's over 30 pairs that this is scanning all the time. Okay, and then it's just a case then of just placing your trades, whether you're using 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day, and this is going to give you a good indication of where the market is going, etc. I think it's great to keep an eye on these scanners, because these scanners work very, very well. Remember, it's working with early wave patterns, Fibonacci retracement levels, convergence and divergence, trader setup alerts, which is also included inside this system, and it's very user friendly. So all you need to do is click on the actual link to download this to your actual computer, pop this on, it's for an MT4 platform, and start using it and see how you get on. All the very best until my next video. Thank you. Bye now.